Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. It's Thursday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30, gold, US oil, and Euro USD. If you want to talk to me, here are my contacts on my intro here. So if sorry, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Let's go straight to NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ here, as you can see, guys, this is 2-hour time frame. It's a very nice time frame to balance things off from 4-hour time frame and 1 hour, like between smaller and bigger time frame. So what do we see here? We see that actually at the moment we see that NASDAQ is preparing to sell off. You see, so you can see that we had the market around this highest highs. So now, and we also had something like this, which is it was our support, but we see the market is breaking that slowly. Obviously, we will see the market pushing slower until we reach this area. I think maybe the market will come back and retest again here around like 15,100. Around this area, the market will come around and bounce back again. Remember, I said now the market is about it's about that time where the market will just play about 15,000 and going higher. Why? Because the market has been creating some nice moves. So I don't think maybe NASDAQ will come back like between 14,000 around something like that. So if maybe it can push slower, maybe it can reach this 14,800. But what I'm thinking actually, I think this like 15,000, it might be our lowest low. I mean, it might be a very strong support going further because the market will start to push higher again. We might have this corrections, but the market is going to push higher. Remember, we are still above our support, so it means the market is still pushing up. And even at the moment, we are still above this. It was a bit stronger resistance. We're still above that. So this one actually we're not going to count that much. Why? Because that was very weak. So that was like really very weak. So that's why I never even send a signal to buy here, because I know that this thing's overbought. Even if maybe the market was about to go like that, we've seen that even that we were like having like a very small, like very squeezed space here, so it was going to be like very risky. So we just have to wait for the market to breathe. When it comes around these areas, we can do what we can buy. So at the moment, for those who sell here, I think they can sell, but for us who only buy, I think it's time to wait. There's nothing much I can I don't have to add much here. Why? Because it's actually like the market is now like downtrending. So, and we need that because after that we're going to have some nice moves like this. We need to catch those bigger moves, a bullish momentum when the market after the market retests around this area. But at the moment, it's time to wait. It's Thursday, maybe we will see the market reach this area, maybe tomorrow or even today. But what we can do is to wait. We can trade other things. So I don't have to waste much of my time on the NASDAQ today. So remember, we're not going to get signals for NASDAQ USD like every day. No, that won't be possible. So what we're going to do is just that if the market doesn't allow us to do that, we just skip and check what we can get from a different pair. So this is what I've drawn yesterday. You can see it's similar to what is happening on NASDAQ, but this is US30. So what do we see here? We see that, okay, the market was overbought. We see even this area, we had like a very nice, not very strong resistance, but it was there actually. Then we saw the market respecting that. Then after yesterday, we had a strong sell-off. Then the market pushed up again. So it means that we see that the market came back again. Let me just adjust that. Came back again and respected this area. So this area, it seems to be like a very strong. We can draw something like that. Something like this. Start from here, go lower, something like this. something like this. Yeah, so I did not see this yesterday, but if it's something like this, I think it's time for the market to do what? To sell off slowly. Remember, the market won't just rush like that. And remember, tomorrow we have like statement from Fed interest rates, so that might also push the market lower or maybe higher. But what I think is, I think the market can have that momentum push to the low. I think the market will find a strength to push lower. I don't know what will they say tomorrow, but I know that the market might go higher and respect this move here and come respect this support around 35,000. Then again, we can see maybe the market going higher. Today, for us who only buy, I don't see any good opportunity for us to buy. It means for those who sell, they can still sell. I think it's a very nice uh, formation or structure that people they can sell here. But at the moment, us who buys, we just only wait for the higher lows, then we get the market. Higher lows we get on the market. So at the moment, there's nothing that I can tell you much here, unless if maybe the market breaks this area, we can say it's going to create another new move. Then we can say, okay, around this area we can buy, around these areas we can buy, something like that. But at the moment, there is nothing, so we just need we have to chill. You should learn to chill. You see, this is other things like some other skills that you should have. Just sit and do nothing. It's also a very nice skill that you can have. I think oil is going down. Yeah, but I think it will still push higher. So we are on gold, guys. So I think the market is now reacting to like Fed interest rate at the moment. So we see that this is, it seems to be like a effect of what we might get later. We see that the market is now like going down everywhere. The market is just going down. You saw NASDAQ. Just look here. You see here NASDAQs, all these things which are like they have like it's NASDAQ, USD, 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 gold, USD, whatever that is against gold. It's like gold. Actually, USD is getting stronger. You can see that, but that might change later because now the market is just selling off. The market might push up again because I don't think this will just push the whole day, but it's possible because the market is about to react to Fed interest rate. But when those things happens tomorrow, you might find that that move already happened, so the market won't really react to that. So let's see what we can get. So that's why they say sometimes you don't have to trade the correlating pair at the same time, because if you trade in them all, it means they will be going in the same direction. Just imagine you said buy on gold, Euro USD, NASDAQ, they all going down at the moment. So it means you're going to lose very quick. So that is not a good thing to do. So you should know about these things. So what do we see on gold here? It's quite simple, very, very simple, I guess. Let me just remove this. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I don't think I have to remove that because I wanted to talk about this, but already we passed that. So it means what we see here, we were in this bearish, broke out, retest. Now the market is coming back. So why the market is bouncing back from this area? Because you see the market created this, like the market presented itself to us. If you still remember, I had drawn this line here and I said we should wait for the market to create a structure for us, because I thought maybe the market will respect this area. But I said just because the market was just going down like this, it's not a compulsory for us just to draw a line. Why? Because the market was just downtrending. And I even gave the example, said if the market was just doing something like this, we can say, okay, now maybe the market might bounce back, something like that. But the market was actually downtrending, was not doing something like this, you see. So that's why it's not necessarily, you don't have to look to your left if the market is creating something like that. So it means the market created this support and we see that the market is respecting that. Even though we are in a very nice bearish momentum here, if this area is broken, we might see the market going higher. So you can extend this support to reach this area. So it's possible for the market to just consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up. But what I know is the Fed statement is going to be like very important today and tomorrow. So we'll see the market reacting to that. You should know about those things because you will just see the market going crazy up and down without knowing exactly what's really going on, and to find out, okay, actually the market is reacting to that before and after. You see, sometimes the market reacts to those things. So there's big dogs which are just taking out their money, and some they just put in, they funding their accounts because of tomorrow's event, because it's big. Only few peeps they make billions. You see, so you should be aware of that. So for gold today, I think we have a very nice support here, and still we have this bearish resistance. Sorry, yeah, it's a bearish resistance because it's a resistance and the market is now going lower. So what we can do is we can just wait, because this is actually a wedge, for the market to break this area, go up, or maybe the market will break this support, maybe the market will just go lower. We should wait for those two things, you see. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. On my YouTube there is community where we can just talk. I will post some whatever the update that I get, then I will just try to update you on everything that I have. Then you should stay updated on things that I do. You can also talk to me there and tell me whatever that maybe you want me to cover, stuff like that. So I will try to do that for you. If just check the community, then on your YouTube, and then on my channel. I think I don't know how do you check that on your side, but on my side is very easy. So I hope you will get that. So where we just post some information, some updates actually. So we are on US30 here. Sorry, not US30, US oil. So on US oil, you can see that, okay, a few days ago we had some very nice bearish momentum going lower, but after that we had a support, then the market pushed up. So this resistance has been there, but now it's broken. So it means here we can have a very nice what, a retest, then down the market can push up. So what you see there on the screen is actually what I've sent in the group. So now the market is like going against us, because I think I said pending order, I no longer remember, but it's something here is the entry where we're supposed to enter. So here is the stop loss, then here is our take profit. So we expect that the market, after retesting, after breaking this area, we expect that the market can retest. You see, I hope you saw the structure. Let me just zoom that in now. You see, so after this breakout, we expect the market to do what, to retest, then before pushing up. You see, so and I think the retest is happening like now you see that. So after this, I think the market will respect this area, then after we might see another push. So this is the signal that is still very valid, unless if maybe the market will just go against us, we might lose this trade. But by the look, I think maybe we can have a very nice win on this one. Still, we will see that tomorrow. I will update you if we made some profit, or also you can just update on your chart and see if maybe you will see the same thing, or you will get the same results. But at the moment the market is still going a bit lower. Maybe from there, I don't know what will happen, but I hope the market will push up. So what do we see for today on US oil? I think at the moment we should just focus on this retest. The market can push up, unless if the market breaks this now support. It was a resistance, now it's a support. If it breaks lower, it will become our resistance again. It means the market is very like really bearish at the moment, because, or we will end up calling this like a fake breakout, because the market just came back, no retest, then come back again. It means it's like a fake breakout, something like that. So let's check that on. Let's check the last pair that we analyze, Euro USD. Or on Euro USD, okay, on Euro USD, we also had a trade, I think, a few days ago. Uh, already took the profit because the market was not moving very nicely. But you can see that we were in a very nice profit. I think maybe you also saw this yesterday. I don't know if, yeah, if you watched my previous video, I'll start to do something like this so that you can see if maybe you don't know how to place your stop loss, your entries, your take profit, something like that. So I will do this every day on my analysis so that you can see that, okay, my entry, it was here, so we were in profit. Even now, it means even if I did not close here, it means I will be still in profit. So that's how you should take trades. But remember, we're not going to make profit on each and every signal that we get, you see. So what do we see at the moment? We see that, okay, we had this very nice or very strong bearish momentum, which was very easy to identify. But look what happened. We saw a breakout, a retest, another one. So this thing is similar to what is happening on oil at the moment. We're just waiting for the market to retest. So the market can consolidate there, but surely the market will push up, you see. So what did we after this retest here? Then we had a buy. You can see that we had a buy around this area. So the market is pushing up. So unfortunately, the market will just push slower. But since we made some profit, some maybe they still holding. You can just lock your profit or place your stop loss to break even, something like that, so that you don't lose. So what do we see for today? I think since we are above this resistance, we can just experience some consolidation before the market pushing higher slowly. So you can just expect to hold this for some time. But what I see is the market is actually bullish. The market will actually go up, something like this. Just expect something like that to happen. So what I see today is the market is about to push higher slowly. Don't just expect the market to go crazy because we just broken out of the resistance. But this is a very nice strategy that mostly the market will respect. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Everything that you want to join, if you want to join me, you know everything is now $15. To join my VIP group is $15. If you want the system, it's also $15. When I say $15, I mean the system that will show you the signals. It's $15. If you still need the robot is also, sorry, the robot is not here, it's not in the package. The robot is in the package, which is $35. So you can just let me know if you want some of these things, so I will let you know how they work. So if you want to receive the daily signals, you pay once, then you're done. Just talk to me. So let's, plus don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, let's grow the channel, guys. Some of you who are watching my channel, most of, let's say 50%, are not subscribed. Please guys, just subscribe. You don't lose anything. You, even if maybe you don't turn on your notification, as long as you subscribe, so that we can reach other people out there who really need this information. I hope you will do that, guys. Thank you. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex Bar.